What is up, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing today? Right off the bat, I know you guys are asking a lot of questions as far as the thumbnail goes, and you probably have more questions immediately right off the bat, like, why are you filming in your truck while you're driving? Why are you an hour above Atlanta? Why are you, starting the video out in your truck when you don't like to? These are a lot of important questions that I'm gonna try and answer in this video for you guys. But as you guys can tell by the thumbnail, I am going to look at a build for the channel. That's the goal today. I have an opportunity to go look at a build that I think would fit well on the channel, and I think that there's a good chance a lot of you would like. I took in a lot of consideration from the comments that you guys were leaving between Duramax and Tahoe, and I'm going to look at one of those today. And I'm sure you can kind of tell by the thumbnail which one it is. So this is the best one that I've found, best candidate so far that I've found to fit what we're looking for. So we are on the way. I'm heading up to Cummins, Georgia today to take a look at it and test drive it. And we're just gonna see how it goes. Nothing's set in stone, of course. I mean, I'm not buying anything today, but I wanna bring you guys along with me, of course. I always bring the Bread Gang with me. You guys are my #1 supporters, my only supporters. And I just wanna bring you guys along. It'll be fun. We're gonna, just test the water a little bit. So let's roll the intro and get into the video.
This is Brad, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
Apparently you can fit 35 1250s on one of those new Gladiators without a leveling kit or anything. I don't know how much I believe that, but we're kind of at this, obviously we just showed up. We're kind of at this Subaru, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep crossover place. I don't know. Just show me where the Tahoe's at. I don't care about none of this stuff. I just want to see what I came to see and not curb a wheel. I think I see it sitting right up front too. They must have known I was coming. They got it sitting right up front over there. Look at it, look at it. Ooh, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. Could not have worked any better. And the more I look at this thing, the more oh my goodness, look at that. It's got the black Tahoe on the side. It's lowered in the back. Obviously that doesn't mean anything because we're gonna put a huge lift kit on it, but it's got 22s, black emblems, LT, 4-door. It's like a champagne color with some chrome accents. I mean, obviously anything that's on it right now has nothing to do with what we're doing. So we're just looking for, good no rust, no accidents, see how many owners, test drive it, make sure everything's okay. I'm gonna get out. I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to film, but I at least wanted to be able to get some, in-person video for you guys. I'm gonna go take some videos and stuff while I'm looking around it and stuff like that, but I will, I'll catch up with you guys in just a minute. I think this would be a great candidate, park right next to the truck too. Oh man, look at that. Look at that right there. I think it needs to happen. If I can make this happen, this might be it. What do you guys think? Leave some comments below. This might be it. Park right next to that. Obviously they're gonna get wrapped a different color, but that might be it right there. The ticket, it's got leather inside. We're gonna go for a test drive, but we got the black leather inside, buttons, heated cold seats, no sunroof. But I'm really digging everything in this Tahoe. Not 4-wheel drive, it's 2-wheel drive, but that's okay, makes it cheaper. Smells like a new car. What do you guys think? In comments below. Got the bench seat in the back that I really like. Got all the AC controls in the back. This is gonna be something different. It's got the middle console in the middle. My truck has the bench seat, not the middle console, which is cool. It's got a big nice screen up here. Man, I mean, it's almost like driving my truck, but nicer. I mean, this is awesome. Everything's really clean. I want to take a good look at the outside before I do anything, but we're gonna go for a test drive. I'm glad I was able to film a little bit for you guys so we can at least see it. Obviously, it's gonna end up big like my truck, but right now it looks pretty good to keep it for a little while how it is. I don't know, I like this. What do you guys think? Test drive went amazing. She brought something up to my attention though. It kind of sounds, it's got Corsa exhaust on it, full piping from the front all the way back. She said she thinks that it sounded cammed, and I wasn't sure. So we popped the hood when we got back, and obviously, I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, you can tell on camera.
those are different color piping than what normally comes in this. I'm sorry, but GM is not that fancy, so I'm not sure if that's cammed or if it's different headers or what the hell's going on. I don't know enough about that. It's got a different intake on this as well. It's got a K&N cold air intake on it too. This is, whoever had this before definitely did some engine mods to this thing, so that's something that we're getting double checked on right now. Other than that, we're really liking this Tahoe right now. So today is day 2. We had to come back. We weren't done. We just couldn't sleep. We had to come back and take one more look at it. We're gonna take one more test drive, maybe run some numbers, see what the deal is. We'll see. I'm not gonna say too much. We're just gonna go inside and see. We're gonna take one more look at it, do another quick walk around, test drive it, see what's up with it. I mean, I don't really know what else to say. We're back because we're serious, but you know, the chances of us, I mean, you never really think something like this is gonna happen. So the test drive went really well. We actually really liked the car. We're not sure how all the numbers and everything are gonna pan out, but you know, that's not really, you know, too much of an issue. Whatever the numbers end up being, the numbers end up being. So real quick, you know, I never really tell you guys what she drives. This is her 2012 Dodge Challenger that she has. 22-inch wheels. It's got the Phantom grille, aftermarket bumper, subs, LED lights all the way around, tinted windshield. I mean, it's got the whole 9 yards. And this is just something I want to showcase for a second on the channel. I'm sure most of you don't remember this car. It was on the channel about 6 months ago, but she absolutely loves this car. This is, you know, Coco. This is the car that she loves. Is she ready to get rid of it? Who knows? I mean, we'll have to find out when the time comes. But today we're, you know, I don't think we're really serious about buying anything. We're more just kind of seeing, you know, kind of testing the water a little bit. But they're gonna come back with some numbers and we'll just kind of see how it goes. I don't know, it's kind of exciting just to think, you know, maybe we could get one at some point. That would be pretty cool, you know what I mean? So, but we're gonna keep looking around.
A few moments later.
What do you guys think? I mean, I really like this Tahoe 2017, less than 50,000 miles. It looks really nice, like a champagne color. Almost like a mom mobile. I mean, imagine that on a 9-inch lift. Wouldn't that be insane? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Should we get rid of the old Challenger over here and upgrade to the Tahoe for the channel? Wouldn't that be absolutely insane? We're still looking around. I'm kind of debating back and forth on whether I should do an older Duramax or some kind of Tahoe like this. Maybe in the next video I'll do a, you know, I'll go and price out an older Duramax or something like that. But I feel like I should tell you guys something. And for those of you that watch all the way to the end of the video, you guys are the best. You know, I really appreciate you guys for sticking this far through, and that's just means that you guys get to be the first to know that we just bought this 2017 Tahoe right here. And I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna end it on that. Let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today. Is it really that wide? Dude, it's pretty damn wide. What did we just do? What did we just do? Just say it one time. What did we just do? Oh, you're gonna do it?
We got this bread today.
We got this bread today, baby. Video, I kept it all serious with you guys, but right now there is no holding any emotion back. We just bought a freaking Tahoe. First of all, we came to probably the creepiest gas station I've ever been to. Look at the lights. The lights are like flickering on and off. We just bought a freaking Tahoe. Everything, like, God is good. I don't even know what to say right now. Let me get an interview from the lady of the hour. No? Wow, come on. This is your Tahoe. This wide bow tie. That's this wide bow tie. Oh my goodness, man. I don't even know what to say. I mean, we're gonna do a full walk around, a full reveal for you guys. Are you leaving me? Are you leaving me? Oh man, I need to do, I don't even know what to say right now. All I'm gonna say is I love you guys so much. I'm doing this all for you guys. This build right here is going to be something crazier than even I could have expected. And I'm super excited to share it with you guys.